Hi everyone. Now we're going to do something using crayons, pencil, and colored construction paper with the first letter of your name. You could either use the first letter of your first name or the first letter of your last name. I'm going to use the first letter of my last name, which is Shorn. It starts with an S. And I have to make a bubble letter. So I'm going to do the top of the S first. And I want to make it thick, not thin, because I'm going to put a pattern inside of it. So if I put my line right here, that's going to be too thin. So I'm going to put it way up here and go all the way around. This is just the top of my S. Then I'm going to come around here and then follow it like a railroad track. Not too close, not too far. And connect my ends together. Can you see that? That is one big S. Now I'm going to put some S's that go off the page. So here's one S. It's going to go this way. And then the top of the S. And this one's going to stay on the page. This one's going to follow it like a railroad track. Come back on. Then another S is going to come here. They can go all different directions. Can turn the paper around and make an S go this direction. And some S's could be right off the page and then come right back on the page, or whatever letter you are using. Okay, that's it. I have, how many S's can you see on this paper? So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 S's. And I'm going to use all different colors to outline them with crayons. So I'm going to follow the line. I don't want to see any pencil lines, so I got to go very slowly. And I want this to look like a very happy picture. So as I'm working, I'm going to think of some kind of a happy pattern that I can put inside of it. Do you remember the pattern joke? It goes, Pete and repeat were sitting on a fence. Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat. Pete and repeat were sitting on a fence. Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat. Repeat means say it again. Pete and repeat were sitting on a fence. Pete fell off, who was left? Repeat. And you just keep doing that and doing that. It's like a pattern of words because they keep repeating. So now I'm going to do a purple S. Stay right on my line. You could do some of your lines thicker. This line's going to be thicker than that line. Follow along my pencil line. And then I'm going to fill my S's with beautiful patterns that repeat, like my joke. Pete and repeat. Okay, now, let's see, what color should I use? I think I'm going to use, I think the one I used was not red. Maybe this is red. Yes. So this pattern inside of this S is going to be a heart pattern. And I'm going to turn them all different ways. Some of the hearts could be right side up. Some of the hearts could be right side down, upside down. Some could be right side up. Some can be upside down. It's like a pattern too. Right side up and upside down. Right side up, upside down. And keep doing that the whole way. Then I'm going to color my hearts in. So on all your letters, think of something that's a pattern. It could be some delicious thing that you like to eat. It could make your letter look like it's something yummy. If you like peppermint, you could put stripes on it. Or you could have shapes that you like on it. Anything that is a pattern. And then you can color them in. So I'm going to take my pink and I'm going to color one heart pink and then skip one because that one's going to be red. And then this heart is pink and skip one. That one's going to be red. Then this one's pink. So I'm doing all the pink ones first. Then I'm going to do the red ones. So you get the idea for that? Then for purple, maybe I'll make some arcs. One arc, two arcs, and color it in. So it looks 3D. One arc, two arcs, color it in. I want them all to go the same direction. One arc, two arcs, color it in. And then we're going to paint them. One arc, two arcs. So you keep doing that with all your letters. Put some beautiful patterns in. You don't have to put them too close together or it'll take so long to make your patterns. Just make them repeat. And you don't have to put them too close together. This guy's starting to look like a snake. Okay. So that's it so far. I'm going to keep working on it and then I'll show it to you when I'm finished.